So this is the fun experiment I was doing. So what I did, after a few time, I changed the color of the filament. So removed the old one, put a new one. So we have like multicolor printing also possible. So you can make very beautiful art pieces. And what I want to actually get your attention on is the maker movement. Okay, so what maker movement is basically, if you go makemagazine.com, is anybody knows that, or instructable.com. So maker movement is just people making things. That's it. Learning by making. That is what the motto of the whole movement is. So this is very important. If you see this logo also, there are like 3D models. So there is like fingerprinting is there. So whatever you the whole movement supports making, getting collaborated, help each other and make something. So we have a very good, which is called Hackerspace. It's nothing to do with hacking computers, but Hackerspace have different tools you can work with. They have 3D printers, they have laser cut machines or whatever is needed. So people go there and make whatever they want. So there is a good maker place in Mumbai called Makers Asylum. So this is how the Maker Fair. It is a very popular maker movement place. So this happens in Bay Area and New York every year. So like there are like small children learning to solder. Soldering is a process which you make circuit boards. So it's like old people, young people all learning together by making it, not reading on books or viewing some tutorials. Okay. And it is not limited to technology. Again, it's very much do with the art. So there are like art installations like this also. I also visited one in Ahmedabad. So they had this tumbler from Dark Knight somebody made out of some scrap parts. It's not as original, but they made something and they learned a lot from it. That is the most important part. Also, they showed how to make actual metal molding, etc. So there are like so many skill set. Whatever, if you are interested in any kind of technology or art, there will be a community, very avid community who will be interested in this. And this happened the day before yesterday. I met APJ Abdul Kalam in the Raj Bhavan to show my 3D printer. So I'm quite proud of this event. So that is my story so far. Actually, I don't have anything to say more than that. Just the thing is, find you what you like first and try pursuing it. Because if you like something and if you do it for your earning, then you never get bored out of it. So just try everything and try to find what you like, because everybody has something they are extremely good at. You just have to find that at correct age maybe. So thank you. Yes?
Okay, we have few choices to make. Life is good for us. Honorable Chairman Joshi sir will take another 20-25 minutes. Your printer is outside.
I have just make it ready. It will take
okay,
some time.
He will make it ready because some technical snag. We have few choices. Anup, how much time you have for us? Will you be here till the end? Till 1 o'clock. I don't mean till the end of the day or end of the world. Oh, okay. Okay, now kids, do you want to have a quick break and come back? I thought you will say, no, we don't want to waste time. Okay, you have then only 20 minutes break and you will come back disciplined, okay? Because by then, if Mr. Joshi comes or Karan, 1 minute, excuse me. I'm still talking. Okay, 20 minutes break. Khao mila to mila, nahi to wapas. Okay? And by then, if Karan has fixed his printer, we have a look at it because it may be difficult to transport it to the auditorium. And we don't waste time because Mr. Joshi has just 45 minutes for us and he gives the special note. We felicitate him and then we carry on. I know that probably Karan is not going to go back very soon today. So we have lots of questions, so let's maximize our time together, okay? Quick break.